The most nuclear power plants in South Korea have radiator reactors. The most type of nuclear power plants are represented by heavy water and radiator reactors, and the difference between heavy water and radiator reactors relies on material of coolant lowering the speed and heat of nuclear reaction. Radiator is ordinary water and heavy water is heavier than radiator, having one neutron to hydrogen atom and doubles its original weight. Adding one more neutron makes heavy water to tritium. Hydrogen with a neutron is called protium, deuterium with one neutron, and tritium with two neutrons. The 678.7 megawatt Wolseong nuclear power plant starting commercial operation from 1983 is a heavy water nuclear power plant that used heavy water as a coolant. Tritium is produced approximately 1.4 gram per year in heavy water reactors and 0.03 gram per year in light water reactors. As of the end of 2020, 5.658 kilogram of tritium made at Wolseong Nuclear Power Plant is being stored. The total amount of tritium worldwide in 2023 is about 21 kilogram. Tritium have a half-life of 12.1 years. Accordingly, it is said about 3.5 kilogram of tritium existed in the natural state. The global consumption of tritium for luminous use is 400 grams per year. Tritium released energy in process of stabilizing the instability of nuclear atom, and the radiation from beta ray is exposed to the outside. Since beta ray cannot pass through the air by more than 6 millimeters, there is no external exposure. The tritium released to the outside is H2O, tritiated water, but about 3 to 6% of tritium water inhaled into the human body is converted to OBT. Organically bound tritium is produced by combining the human body's introduced tritium with carbohydrate, fat, protein, DNA, and hormone. OBT has a long-term internal exposure of about 200 to 500 days compared to about 10 days of tritium water with a biological half-life. OBT combined with the natural polymer compound may enter the human body through the food chain. As of Fukushima's 1,260,000 tons of contaminated water, discharge capacity is 1,260 million kilograms, and it will be 860 quadrillion becquerel. So the conversion of radioactivity is 682,540 becquerel per kilogram, and the conversion of 860 quadrillion becquerel into sievert, it becomes 36,120 sievert. It is difficult to predict how it is absorbed in the sea and how much is absorbed into the human body. As it is said, if it exceeds 50 millisievert, there is a potential genetic modification. If it exceeds 500 millisievert, the immune cells are disturbed. And if it exceeds 1 sievert, it is said to be fatal. In any case, we should treat contaminated water on the basis of worst case simulation.